In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in an Audi A3 key fob. This is a quick and easy process. It'll just take you a few minutes. The only thing you'll need is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, all we want to do here is flip this thing over. We're going to be removing this back piece of plastic. So take a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, and what we want to do is insert it in here. Right on the bottom, there's a little space to put a tool, and just pry the back right off of there. Now inside, you can see that hole right there. We're going to want to use something to pry the battery out. This is a little bit large, so I'm just going to grab a smaller flathead screwdriver, and can use whatever you have lying around the house that can just nicely fit into this hole. And all we want to do is pry the battery out. If you don't have anything like this, down in the description, I'll leave a link to just get this little cheap set of screwdrivers that I personally use. It's just a few bucks on Amazon, so go check that out if you don't have any means to pull the battery out. But once you have it out, just go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take your new 2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing up. And you'll just push that down into place and put the back right on there. And all you're going to do is squeeze until it clicks back into place. That's all it takes. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.